So often we question our self-worth and we measure our life based on our past. We measure our future based on what's happened to us. Am I worthy? Can I have that kind of love? Can I have that kind of success? Can I have that kind of wealth and abundance? Me, little old me. Yes, you can. Everyone is inherently worthy of value. Nothing that you do or that happens in life can qualify your greatness. It's your birthright to feel free and to express yourself joyfully. You have a right to be happy. You have a right to feel love. You have a right to have mad, passionate love for not only yourself, but for others. So often you begin to wonder, is it for me? Can I have it? Am I worth it? I understand that your self-worth will determine your altitude. If you believe you can go there, then you can. If you believe you can't, then you won't. So how about we take some time, pour into you, and reprogram or up-level the programming that you have so that you understand that you are worthy of every single blessing that's on its way to you, that you don't have to worry about getting ready for what's around the corner. You're already there. Set the next few minutes to be free from any distractions, any concerns, anything about the world around you. This moment is about you. Be in a relaxing place, whether it's sitting or lying down. Make yourself very comfortable. Nothing else matters right now but your own personal breakthrough, your own gift to self. You can close your eyes if you haven't done so already, bringing all of your awareness to the position of your body. Feel your body, relaxing your body. Feel your breath, and feel the present feelings of relaxation that are spreading through your mind and your muscles from your head to your toes. Enjoy the feeling of lightness. Enjoy the feeling that may accompany your breathing. Take a deeper breath. Go in and out rhythmically. Find your comfort zone. Gently moving into the place within you, allowing the worries of the world around you to fall away, to fall off the left side of your body and off the right side of your body. Your whole energy is you, vibrating and slowing into a beautiful state of comfort. Imagine you are protected. Feel this positive energy through your entire body. And all the learning that takes place will take place with ease and grace. Release any negative thoughts about past decisions, past experiences, past concerns, or past disruptions. In this moment, acknowledge yourself just as you are in this moment. You are authentic with yourself and with others. You rewrite your story. You rewrite it the way you choose for it to be told. You don't have to erase chapter 1, 2, 3, 4 through 14. It's absolutely okay the way it's written, but you get to write your future. I'm going to count down from 5 to 1. And as I count down, your breathing begins to deepen. Your body begins to relax. All outside noise and chatter begins to dissolve. 5. Breathe deeply, feeling peace in your core. 4, breathing out, trusting the feelings of inner worthiness. Accepting yourself fully, knowing what you've always known. 3, deep breath. Feel your body. Know your worth. You've always been valuable. You've always been special. 2, breathe out and replace past thoughts with new possibility. Breathe out and replace old fears with new decisions. New decisions about the life that you are creating in this moment. 1, you are at complete peace. You are available to new creation. You're sitting in your power. You're lying in your strength. You're bathed in new possibility. Resting in your greater awareness. I love and bless the past. I love, bless, and release the past. I move with mindful intention. I learn from all of my experiences. My lessons prepare me for my breathtaking future. I have needed every experience to prepare me for this moment. I've needed every experience to prepare me for this moment. There is no need to apologize for my past choices. I've made the best choices I could based on what I knew. I live in possibility.